Meaning of good-looking.
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 Good-looking. Good-looking is an adjective used to describe someone or something that is visually pleasing or attractive. It typically refers to physical appearance, but can also include other qualities such as demeanor and personality. A person who is considered good-looking often has symmetrical facial features, clear skin, and a well-proportioned body. However, beauty is subjective, and what one person finds attractive may not be the same for another. In summary, good-looking is a term used to describe something that is aesthetically pleasing and visually appealing.